Hi, I'm Alison, Motability Specialist here at Bowker BMW in Preston. We're really excited to welcome BMW back onto the scheme, so here are some frequently asked questions. The Motability Scheme allows customers to exchange the mobility part of their award to lease a car. It's a 3-year contract and you get 60,000 miles over that 3 years. Included in the Motability Scheme are your insurance and servicing costs. There's also help with adaptations which can all be fitted and done through your dealer. There are a few different allowances that are covered through the Motability Scheme. This includes the higher rate mobility component of disability living allowance, the enhanced rate of the mobility component of personal independence payment, the War Pensioners Mobility Supplement, and the Armed Forces Independence Payment. The list changes every 3 months. Included in the current list are the BMW 118i M Sport in manual or automatic, the BMW 218i M Sport Grand Coupe in manual or automatic, the BMW 225e Active Tourer, which is a plug-in hybrid, and the BMW i4 35e Sport, which is a full electric. Did you know that you can also add additional extras? This car here has the M Sport Pro Pack. Why not contact your local Bowker BMW centre where one of the Motability specialists will be on hand to assist.